Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making New York style cookies. Let's get started. Brown sugar, butter, sugar, flour, cornstarch, chocolate chips, egg, baking powder, salt, vanilla. Alright, first I'm adding the butter into the bowl. Next, the white sugar goes in. And finally, the brown sugar. Gently stir everything together until it's well combined. Once the butter and sugars are nicely combined, now crack in the egg and add it to the mixture. Then pour in the vanilla and give it a gentle stir. Now I'm adding in half of the flour. And then go ahead with the cornstarch. Add the baking powder and salt. Now mix everything together until it's all well combined. Once everything is nicely mixed together, then add in the other half of the flour. Mix it all together really well until you get a thick dough. Once the dough is ready, now fold in the chocolate chips. And start stirring it all together. Make sure they're evenly mixed throughout the dough. Now our dough is ready. We're scooping it onto a baking tray in cookie-sized portions. And we put it in the fridge for an hour. Preheat the oven to 175 for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, gently flatten our rested dough. Place a marshmallow inside, then fold it back and roll it into a ball. Now transfer the cookies onto the baking tray. Then place the tray in the oven. All right, after 12 minutes, our cookies are ready and ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.